So the GMOVE active compression system is our newest technology, and we're really excited about it. We use compression in the lower and upper limbs to help support the patient through their particular journey, or the athlete to build muscle. We see this technology as being applied in active populations where they may be using it for blood flow restriction, increasing their muscle strength and explosive power. We can see it being used in spinal injuries patients where they're on a recovery journey and they need postural support. We see it also in the post-stroke patient where they too are looking to go on a journey to recover strength and mobility and movement. And also we see it in the MS patient groups where they're really trying to hold on to what they've got and prevent further degradation. It's an exciting technology. It's extremely well priced. Our clinics are really enjoying it. The patients are enjoying it. For the appropriate targeted group of patients in your clinic, we have a great support package for you. We hope you'll enjoy looking at the GMOVE-SUIT. Just take a look at this.
So yeah, using the suit, I felt a stronger connection with my limbs. I felt like my proprioception had improved. I could accurately predict the position of my foot and knee.
Just walk towards me. Lovely. Postural hypertension is a form of low blood pressure that happens when you stand up from sitting or lying down position. Wayne had a spinal cord injury last year and struggles with postural hypertension. I've been trying to stand him up with a standing frame for the last 8 months, and it was very challenging. After reaching 50 to 60 degrees of standing, his diastolic blood pressure drops significantly, and at 90 degrees, it often becomes unreadable and he gets extremely dizzy. Recently, I tried using the GMOVE active pressotherapy unit in aim to tackle this postural hypertension. While the unit design and purpose are not intended for this use, it certainly worked in optimizing this. With the GMOVE in action, the diastolic blood pressure was maintained over 100 mm of mercury at 90 degrees of standing, and the patient was totally asymptomatic. How are you feeling?
Yes, feeling good.
I feel really confident with wearing the G-suit. It's giving me pressure around my legs and I just feel that stability.
Better. And back. Good. And again. And back. Lovely.
I feel that I can feel more through my feet as I'm stepping onto things. I can feel that I can feel more on the ball of, well, definitely on my right foot, but is that because I'm using my right foot more today than I do this one?
And swap legs again, another 10 on the other side. And really push that leg right out behind you. Keep that body upright. When you've done 10 swap legs. And last set, go on. Push. Good.
got on now. I've decided to go full cyborg. This is a GMOVE-SUIT, and actually it's not as complex as it looks. It works with occlusion, which is basically restricting blood flow to your muscles. Now, the reason I'm using it is twofold. First of all, I've got to climb some really big mountains this year and I need to get some volume through my legs. But secondly, it's to protect my joints. My left leg is really weak after the injury, after the spinal cord injury. So it means that the muscles aren't protecting my knee properly. And one thing that restricts my training, especially on the left side, is the fact that I just can't get enough volume through that leg because it just annoys the joints, my ankle and my knee. Whereas what this does, it allows me to get loads more volume into my muscles without having to put as much weight through my knee and ankle. At the moment, I climb mountains pretty much just using my right leg. I'm hoping after doing a load of training in this, I'll be able to start using my left leg a bit more as well. It's actually quite easy to use. You just clip it on and off. It looks quite complicated, but you can control the pressure, the time and everything on here. And I've just done my first session in it, and I'm not gonna lie, I've got a hell of a pump on. I don't know why I said that.
Ladies and gentlemen, you're going to Berlin, yeah?
Good pump on you.